Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is chapter 8, basic concepts of differential and integral calculus. In this lecture, we will solve the questions of exercise. Now let's start with the exercise. Choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. Question number 1. The gradient of the curve y is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8 at x is equal to 0 is. Gradient means you have to find out the differentiation of this curve, means y, differentiation of y. So dy by dx is called gradient. Okay. So here y is equal to 2x cube. Now x raised to n d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula for x raised to n. Okay. So here 2x cube. So d by dx of 2x cube. 2 is constant. We have to find out the d by dx of x cube. Here n is equal to 3. So 2 into 3x. 3 minus 1 square. 3x square. So 2x cube is equal to, or you can write 2 d by dx of x cube minus 3 constant d by dx of x square minus 12 constant d by dx of x plus 8. So constant term. So constant differentiation of constant term is 0. Okay. Now 2x cube 3x square minus 3 x square. So it is 2x. Here n is equal to 2 minus 12 dx by dx. It is 1. So minus 12. So 2 3s are 6x square minus 3 2s are 6x minus 12. Here x is equal to 0. We have to find out the gradient of the curve at x is equal to 0. So here put dy by dx where x is equal to 0. So put the value into this equation, 6x square minus 6x minus 12. 6 0 square minus 6x. 6 into 0 minus 12. 6 into 0 is 0 minus 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 12. So answer is minus 12. So here option A is the right answer, minus 12. Okay. Next question. The gradient of the curve y is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3x at x is equal to 0 is. Here gradient of the curve means dy by dx. d by dx of 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3x. So 2 d by dx of x cube minus 5 d by dx of x square minus 3 d by dx of x. So 2, same formula, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Using this formula we can solve this. So x cube means 3 into x square minus 5 x square means 2x minus 3 into 1. So 3 2s are 6 x square minus 5 2s are 10x minus 3. Okay. Here x is equal to 0. So dy by dx where x is equal to 0. 6 into 0 square minus 10 into 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So here option B is the right answer. Minus 3 is the right answer. Now move to the question number 3. The derivative of y is equal to under root x plus 1 is. You all know about the formula y is equal to root x, then derivative dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. Okay. So using this formula we can solve this. Y is equal to under root x plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to, this is the under root x plus 1, so you can write 1 upon 2 or d by dx under root x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x plus 1. Again take the differentiation because this is not the standard form. So d by dx of x plus 1, d by dx of x plus 1. So 1 upon 2 under root x plus 1, d by dx of x 1, and for 1 it is constant, so differentiation is 0. So 1 upon 2 under root x plus 1. Option C is the right answer. Now question number 4. If f of x is equal to e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. The f dash x is. Here f dash x means derivative of f of x. So f of x is equal to e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. So now take the differentiation with respect to x. D by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of e ax square plus bx plus c. So f dash x is equal to, here which formula we can apply? Think about it. Let's see here. Y is equal to e raised to x. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to x. Y is equal to e raised to x. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to x as it is. Okay. So here f dash x is equal to e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. But this is not the standard form. So using chain rule, d by dx ax square plus bx plus c. So e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. D by dx, a constant x square 2x plus b, c 0. So it is 2ax plus b into e raised to ax square plus bx plus c. So option B is the right answer of question number 4. Okay. Question number 5. If f of x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1, then f dash x is. Here f of x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So you have to use y is equal to u by v formula. So dy by dx is equal to v as it is, du by dx du by dv minus u as it is dv by dv by v square. So using this formula, d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. X, here x is present. Okay. So d by dx x square plus 1. So here x square minus 1 d by dx of x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 as it is d by dx of x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 whole square. Now solve this. X square minus 1 as it is d by dx of x square plus constant 1, so 0, d by dx of 1 is 0, minus x square plus 1 d by dx of x square constant 1, so derivative of constant is 0. In the denominator, x square minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 1 d by dx of x square. Here you have to use d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So it is 2x minus x square plus 1 d by dx of x square. It is also 2x. X square minus 1 whole square. So 2x into x square minus 2x minus x square into 2x plus 2x. So here minus signature, minus sign. So it is minus 2x upon x square minus 1 whole square. So 2x into x square minus x square 2 into x. This is cancel, plus or minus. So it is minus 4 into x upon x square minus 1 whole square. So here option A is the right answer, minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Now next question. If y is equal to x into x minus 1 x minus 2, then dy by dx is, first solve the equation y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So x as it is, x square minus 2x minus x minus 1 into 2 plus 2 x square minus 3x plus 2 x into x square x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now find out the dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Again here you have to use d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1 formula. Okay. So here you will get dy by dx is equal to x cube, so 3x square minus second term is 3x square, so 3 into 2x plus 2x. So it is 2. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Now question number 7. The gradient of the curve y minus xy plus 2px plus 3qy is equal to 0 at the point 32 is minus 2 by 3. The value of p and q are. The gradient of the curve here. Curve is given y minus xy plus 2px plus 3qy is equal to 0. Now take the differentiation dy by dx minus xy. So here you have to use the u into v formula. So x as it is dy by dx plus y as it is dx by dx plus 2p common dx by dx plus 3q common dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx minus x dy by dx plus y into 1y plus 2p plus 3q is equal to 3q dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx minus x dy by dx minus plus minus. So minus y plus 2p plus 3q dy by dx is equal to 0. So here in the question given is the gradient of the curve y minus xy plus 2px plus 3qy is equal to 0 at the point 3, 2 is 2 minus 2 by 3. The value of p and q is. Okay. So dy by dx is given. Here dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 is given. Now put into this equation. Minus 2 by 3 minus 3 minus 2 by 3 minus y. So here xy is equal, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 2p plus 3q dy by dx, it means minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So 3 3 cancel, minus 2 by 3 minus minus plus 2 minus 2 plus 2p 3 3 cancel, minus 2q is equal to 0. So minus 2 by 3 plus 2 minus 2 cancel, plus 2p minus 2q is equal to 0. So here 2p minus 2q is equal to plus 2 by 3. 2 common, p minus q is equal to 2 by 3. 2 to cancel. So p minus q is equal to 1 by 3. Here put the 3 and 2 value into this equation. So that is one equation. New, put the value into y minus xy, y minus xy plus 2px plus 3qy is equal to 0. The point is 3, 2. Point is 3, 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2p into 3 plus 3 q into 2 is equal to 0. So 3 2s are 6 plus 6p plus 6q is equal to 0. So 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 6p plus 6q is equal to 0. So 6p plus 6q is equal to 4. So 2 common, 3p plus 3q is equal to 2 into 2. 2 to cancel. So 3p plus 3q is equal to 2. Now solve this equation. Here you can also write 3p minus 3q is equal to 1. So 3p minus 3q is equal to 1. Plus and minus cancel. 3p plus 3p 6p. 2 plus 1 3. So p is equal to 3 by 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2. Here p is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So now find out the q. 3p minus 3q is equal to 1. 3. Value of p is 1 by 2 minus 3, q is equal to 1. So 3 minus 2 3s are 6q is equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 6q. 1 is equal to 6q. So q is equal to 1 by 6. So the answer is p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 6. So option D is the right answer. Here p is equal to 1 by 2, q is equal to 1 by 6. So option D is the right answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. The curve y square is equal to ux cube plus v passes through the point P23. dy by dx is equal to 4 at P. The value of u and v are. Here point is given, y square is equal to ux cube plus v is given, point P 23 x comma y. Now here put the x and y value. Y square means 3 square, u x cube means 2 cube plus v. 3 square, 3 3s are 9, u 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 plus v. So 8u plus v is equal to 9. Now dy by dx is equal to 4 given at P point. P is 2 3. Now find out the dy by dx. So d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of ux cube plus v. So y square means 2y, dy by dx is equal to u d by dx of x cube plus constant term v, so it is 0. So 3x square u 2y dy by dx is equal to 3x square u. So put the x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So two y dy by dx is equal to 3 x square u. 3 x square u. So 2 into 3 dy by dx is 4 is given. Put the value of dy by dx. 3 x square 2 square into u. 4 3s are 12 2s are 24. 3 2 2s are 4 3s are 12u. So u is equal to 24 by 12. 12 2s are 24. So u is equal to 2. Now put into the first equation. 9 is equal to 8u plus v. So 9 is equal to 8 into 2 plus v. So 9 is equal to 8 2s are 16 plus v. So v is equal to 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7. V is equal to minus 7. U is equal to 2. V is equal to minus 7. So option B is the right answer. Now question number 9. The gradient of the curve y plus px plus qy is equal to 0 at 1 1 is 1 by 2. The value of p and q are y plus px plus qy is equal to 0. Point is given 1 1, gradient is given 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So now put this x and y value into this equation. So y1 plus p x1 plus q1 is equal to 0. So p plus q is equal to minus 1. Now take the dy by dx. So dy by dx plus p dx by dx plus q dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx plus p plus q dy by dx is equal to 0. Here put the value of dy by dx into this equation. So 1 by 2 plus p into 1 plus q 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So 1 plus 2p plus q is equal to 0. So 2p plus q is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 is p plus q is equal to minus 1. Solve this. P plus q is equal to minus 1. 2p plus q is equal to minus 1. So minus plus q minus q cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, p minus 2p. So it is, or 2p minus p, p is equal to 0. Now put into this equation plus q is equal to minus 1. So 0 plus q is equal to minus 1. So q is equal to minus 1. So here it is, p is equal to 0 and q is equal to minus 1. Option D is the right answer. If xy is equal to 1, then y square plus dy by dx is equal to, xy is equal to 1, then y square plus dy by dx is equal to, so xy is equal to 1, x so apply the u into v formula. X as it is dy by dx plus y as it is dx by dx is equal to constant term 1 is constant term 0. X dy by dx plus y dx by dx, it means 1. So y is equal to 0. So x dy by dx is equal to minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So here y square plus dy by dx is equal to y, it means y is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x square plus dy by dx, so minus y by x. So 1 by x square minus y upon x is equal to so 1 upon x square minus, put the y is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x square. 1 by x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 0. So option B is the right answer. Question number 11. The derivative of the function under root x plus under root x is. Now dy by dx y is equal to under root x plus the root x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root x plus root x. So d by dx of this is not the standard formula. So 1 upon 2 under root x plus under root x, d by dx of x plus under root x. One upon 2 x plus under root x, d by dx of x into 1, so it is 1 plus root x, so 1 upon 2 under root x. So 1 upon 2 under root x plus under root x into 1 plus 1 upon 2 under root x. So option C is the right answer. Question number 12. Given e raised to minus xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. dy by dx can be proved to be e raised to minus xy minus 4xy is equal to 0. So e raised to minus xy minus, or you can take d by dx of xy minus xy minus 4 d by dx of xy is equal to 0. E raised to minus xy y d by dx of minus x minus 1 minus 4 here you have to write d e raised to minus xy, okay, d by dx of minus xy. So minus common e raised to minus xy x dy by dx plus y dx by dx minus 4 x as it is dy by dx plus y dx by dx is equal to 1 is equal to 0. So minus e raised to minus xy x dy by dx plus y minus 4 x dy by dx minus or plus y is equal to 0. So here e raised to minus xy x into dy by dx plus y minus 4x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to 0. So minus e raised to minus xy into x dy by dx minus e raised to minus xy into y minus 4x dy by dx minus 4y is equal to 0 dy by dx. So dy by dx minus x e raised to minus xy minus 4x is equal to y into e raised to minus xy plus 4y so dy by dx is equal to minus common y e raised to xy plus 4y upon x e raised to minus xy plus 4x. So minus y, x common, e raised to xy plus 4. E raised to minus xy plus 4. X common, e raised to minus xy plus 4. Bracket cancel. It is minus y by x. Minus y by x. So option A is the true answer. If x square upon a square minus y square upon a square is equal to 1, dy by dx can be expressed as so x square upon a square minus y square upon a square is equal to 1. So 1 upon a square common, x square minus y square is equal to 1. So it is x square minus y square is equal to a square into 1. It is a square. So d by dx of x square minus y square is equal to d by dx of a square. So x square 2x x square 2x minus y square 2y dy by dx constant term, so 0. So 2x is equal to 2y dy by dx. 2 cancel. So dy by dx is equal to x upon y. So option A is the right answer, x upon y. Next question, question number 14. If log x by y is equal to x plus y dy by dx may be found to be. So log x upon y is equal to x plus y. So it is log x minus log y is equal to x plus y. So d by dx of log x minus log y is equal to x plus y of d by dx of x plus y. So log x 1 upon x minus 1 upon y dy by dx. Is equal to d by dx x plus y. Log x, so 1 upon x minus 1 upon y dy by dx. So d by dx of x is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. So here 1 upon x minus 1 upon y dy by dx term one side. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to dy by dx plus 1 upon y dy by dx. So 1 minus x upon x dy by dx common, 1 plus 1 upon y. So 1 minus x upon x is equal to dy by dx y plus 1 upon y. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x upon x and y upon y plus 1. So you can write y into 1 minus x upon x into y plus 1. So option A is the right answer. Y into 1 minus x upon x into 1 plus y. Next question, question number 15. If f of xy is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 0, dy by dx can be found out as so dy by dx is equal to how much, or can be found out as if f of xy is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 0, dy by dx can be found out as. So dy by dx you have to find out. Here x cube plus y cube minus 3axy is equal to 0 is given. So take the differentiation x cube 3x square y cube 3y square dy by dx minus 3a x dy by dx plus y dx by dx is equal to 0. So 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx minus 3ax dy by dx minus 3ay is equal to 0. So the next step is three common x square plus y square dy by dx minus ax dy by dx minus ay is equal to 0. So x square plus y square dy by dx minus ax dy by dx minus ay is equal to 0. So dy by dx common, y square minus ax is equal to ay minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square upon y square minus ax. So option B is the right answer. Okay? So this lecture is over here. In the next lecture we will solve so many questions, okay, regarding differentiation. So see you soon. Bye bye.